Hey everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and today I am going to make a Nutri-System lunch not disgusting. I'm gonna improve a Nutri-System lunch. So what I have here is it's a lunch selection. It is their grilled chicken sandwich. It looks pretty good in the picture. So what you do is, the instructions are to wrap it in a paper towel and microwave for 1 minute. And here is what it looks like. For one thing, let me just measure. So it's about, the bun is about, I don't know, like almost 3 inches. It's not that much smaller, but you know, the bun size is a smaller than like what your normal. It's about half the size of like a fast food restaurant bun. And here's the chicken. It's not looking so great. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to take this flat pan, put it on my stove. I'm not gonna put any oil or anything. I'm gonna heat that up, and I am going to try to improve the quality of the chicken. And I am going to take the bun and pop it in my toaster oven. It'll probably fit in a regular toaster too, because it's small. And I'm going to toast that to get it a little bit better. And I'll be back and then I'll show you. Okay, so my pan is pretty hot now. So I just wanted to show you. There are grill marks on there. That doesn't mean it's good. And I have a feeling that this is pressed chicken and not like a regular chicken breast. But just by giving it that heat and toasting it kind of, it should improve the texture. It's not going to do anything for the flavor, but it'll improve the texture of it. Make it like you're eating, like quotation, air quotes, a real food, and not just a frozen, you know, I don't know if any frozen grilled chicken sandwich is going to be that good. So we'll just see. And I don't think it's going to take long either. Can you hear it sizzling? So it's not like like some people might want Nutri-System because they don't really have to cook. This is not taking very long. I don't think I left it long enough on the other side, but you can see right there, it is getting those nice little crispy marks. My phone was getting hot. I can't put it that close. Let me just do it like this. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see the little crispies. And we want to see a little more of that. So let's check the other side. Yeah, it looks a little better. And that is my toasted bun, ready from the toaster. Okay, so I'm gonna meet you back at the plate. So here is my toasted. You can see how those grill marks and everything got a lot darker. So here's what I'm gonna do to assemble my sandwich. So here are my add-ons. So I have a little pickle. What you wanna do to make it taste better, the sandwiches, the meat portion is decent size, but the bread is small. And you know, overall, if you ate this sandwich, it wouldn't be very satisfying. But to make it satisfying, I'm gonna upgrade the toppings. So I have fresh homegrown tomato, I have arugula, I have, these are little garlic flavored kosher dills that it was just like a little cornichon that I sliced. And over here I have, this is a sugar-free barbecue sauce that is thinned out with some apple cider vinegar and just regular yellow mustard. So on one side of the bun, I like barbecue sauce and mustard. Let me make sure that mustard is shaken up. So on this side of the bun, I'm gonna start with pickle. It gives it a little acid, a little extra flavor. Oops. The arugula gives it a super fresh, peppery flavor. And the tomato is just a fresh, there's nothing better than fresh tomatoes in the summertime. Okay. And there you have it. That's my upgraded Nutri-System grilled chicken sandwich lunch. So if you like this video, please subscribe, please like the video, and please share.